How has artificial intelligence transformed the animation industry, and how can it potentially boost your online income? In this discussion, we'll delve into 6 strategies that you can use to leverage AI animation to earn money online. First, consider creating an AI animation YouTube channel. By focusing on a specific niche, such as educational animations or explainer videos, and monetizing your channel through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing, you can start earning a steady income. Consistency is key, so aim to upload regularly and repurpose content to reach wider audiences. Tools like Pictory.ai, DeepMotion, and Synthesia can assist in creating captivating animated content. Next, consider offering freelance animation services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Businesses are often in need of explainer videos, animated logos, and animated social media content. AI tools like Animoto, Powtoon, and RenderForest can help you create high-quality animations in less time. Third, try your hand at selling animated stock videos. Platforms like Pond5, Shutterstock, and Envato Elements allow you to earn royalties whenever someone downloads your content. AI tools like Runway ML and Caber AI can help you generate unique animations quickly, allowing you to build a large portfolio. Fourth, if you've mastered AI animation software, consider teaching others. You can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, or offer private coaching. Fifth, explore the world of NFTs. Unique AI animations can be minted and sold as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea and Rarible, or used to enhance the collections of other digital artists. Tools like Artbreeder and Ebsynth can assist in creating these digital art pieces. Lastly, offer your animation services to e-learning platforms. As online education grows, so does the demand for engaging animated content. Tools like Vyond and Toonly can help you create professional animations for online courses. In conclusion, AI has indeed revolutionized the animation industry, opening up numerous opportunities for online income. By creating an AI animation YouTube channel, offering freelance services, selling animated stock videos, teaching others, creating NFTs, or offering your services to e-learning platforms, you can capitalize on this technological advancement and boost your earnings. Remember, the key is to choose a strategy that aligns with your skills and interests, and to use AI tools to optimize your workflow and enhance your creative output.